I've been posting them on my profile as well. So I think it's quite cute.
Yes. So this is a great this one for everybody who is enjoying the song Make Your Reels and
Yeah, of course.
probably could get a shout out from you. They make
Yes,
Triller
yes,
videos
yes.
as well.
So
You
that's
can
the
give
whole
them a
point.
shout out and
I want to see
yeah,
more
guys,
more of videos on Triller. It's such a great platform, and it's the first time
yeah.
I've come on Triller, so I can't wait. Looking forward to everyone's videos.
So I mean, what better way, guys? Make your trills and
Yes.
please tag Shirley. Don't forget. Okay, on a more note, what does music mean to you?
Music
to
means
you?
everything. I mean, there's music in every little thing. म्यूजिक अगर नहीं होता मेरी लाइफ में तो बहुत इनकम्प्लीट होती मेरी लाइफ आई फील
What
to
advice will you give
non-singers.
non-singers?
No, but you
Yeah,
you
who
still
wish they
enjoy
could
music,
sing.
right?
Because
ऐसे नहीं
I
आप सुनते
really
नहीं. So there is music in your life as well. ऐसा
absolutely
नहीं
नहीं.
So ऐसा कोई एडवाइस नहीं, सुनते रहो, हमारा म्यूजिक सुनो, हम जब बनाते हैं इतनी मेहनत से उसे सुनो और करो.
Done. I'm more than happy. Okay, so as an actor, as a singer, tell us a little bit about your journey. How has it been? Where did you start from? Give us a little insight.
It's been challenging. It's not been easy. But I think that's how everyone's journey is. You know, it's like a roller coaster ride. There are highs, there are lows, but you have to enjoy the journey. That's the most important part. It started from me being back home. I started making videos on YouTube, and I think because of social media and digital media, like बहुत ही मेरी लाइफ उससे चेंज हुई है pretty much, because अगर वो नहीं होता तो मैं शायद न्यूजीलैंड में होती अभी, या कहीं और होती, कोई जॉब कर रही होती. I don't know. Yeah, it's given me wings. It's given my dreams wings.
Yeah.
Yeah,
lovely.
yeah.
It's given you a great
I mean,
platform, basically.
अगर वो नहीं होता तो मुझे पता नहीं होता कि मुझे यहाँ आना चाहिए to pursue this professionally. That also took time. Instantly नहीं आई, मतलब मैंने start किया था. I started posting videos in 2013. It's 2021 now. It's nearly 2022. So बहुत साल हो गए. Yeah.
Wow. But
yeah,
I mean, I think it makes you who you are.
Absolutely. Every experience does.
Hats off to you. Okay, so I've seen that you've been creating content on this song. ये गाना आपका जो इतना hit हो गया है. Where are you? I mean, where can we see all this content that you're making? Where can all your fans see content, or where can they tag you?
All of you guys who are on Triller, you can post your videos on Triller. Use the hashtag तेरे नाल रहनिया ताकि मुझे actually दिखाई दे all your videos and trills, as you say. But if you like, you can also repost them on Instagram, because मैं reels भी यहाँ पर share कर रही हूँ. And anyway, yeah, as long as you use the hashtag or you tag me or Good Nazar, तो हम बहुत ही और passionately सभी के videos reshare कर रहे हैं, support कर रहे हैं, जैसे आप हमें support कर रहे हैं. We're trying to give the love back, so don't worry, you'll find your videos.
Lovely. Okay, how was the shoot of Tere Naal?
Oh, it was a lot of fun, because हमने same team के साथ काम किया जिसके साथ हमने कोई भी, मतलब जब हमने कोई भी नहीं किया था. We worked with Robbie sir, and he's so well respected in this field and in this industry. So we knew kind of कि हमें उनके साथ ही काम करना था, because उनकी team ऐसी है where all of us just gel like this. It's easy. It's a very
Yeah.
easygoing team. Like मजा आता है काम करके, खाते भी हैं, काम भी करते हैं. So it was just like that. I mean, if you watch my
Nice.
previous video, I've posted that Akshay, who was a part of, is a part of Robbie Sir's team. He's you can see him asking me क्या चाहिए. So I'm like, chai or coffee, and then I tell him adrak wali chai. So all these little things, you know, I think ऐसी चीजों से मेमोरीज बनती है. और वहाँ पे बहुत मजा आया. हमने पटियाला में शूट किया at Mahindra College, and it was such a lovely grand location. एंड बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली उन्होंने सनफ्लावर्स से डेकोरेट भी किया था उसे. सो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. इट वाज क्वाइट नाइस. या
Connect हो रहा है वीडियो में. So of course, anything memorable that you remember, ऐसा कोई एक incident जो आपको याद during हुआ था that is etched in your memory? This
During
memory
the
I'm going
shoot?
to take with me forever.
everything.
Yeah. Or maybe the recording of the song. Any time during the process of making
वैसे
the
तो
song.
बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. लेकिन yeah, like one of the things, we celebrated Gurnaz's birthday while we were shooting for the song. So I think that was quite special and fun. Sorry. Another thing, um, another thing that happened, yeah, while we were recording for the song, it was quite funny because I remember मुझे जाना था साबिर सर से मिलने. उन्होंने मुझे मीटिंग के लिए बुलाया था. एंड आई टोल्ड हिम, सर मैं अभी डबिंग में हूँ, तो मैं आपको ये डब होते ही मैं आती हूँ आपसे मिलने के लिए. एंड आई हैड गिवन हिम अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम. सो मैं ऑलमोस्ट मतलब आई थिंक वी वर क्वाइट ऑन टाइम एंड वी वर जस्ट अबाउट टू फिनिश. देन मैं जाने ही वाली थी. एंड तब फिर हमें याद आया, वेट, हमने जो एंड में जो टप्पे पार्ट है, तो पंजाबी फोक part which we had also done in Koivine. We wanted to keep that similarity between both the songs. So then we remembered, अरे वो तो गाया ही नहीं. तो फिर हम फिर
Oh no!
oh God, good, अभी याद आ गया, वरना बाद में जाके याद आता. तो God, ये तो हाँ, फिर क्विकली कर लिया, बहुत ही जल्दी कर लिया वो हमने.
प्रॉब्लम
जल्दी रिकॉर्ड हो गया वो. That was quite surprising, but fun, good times. वो फास्ट मेरे को ऐसे हुआ, oh God, मुझे जाना है, लेट है. ओके, जल्दी कर लो ऐसे.
Okay, what is your favorite part about promoting a song?
I think the favorite part, so this time काफी interesting रहा है because we've actually gotten to meet a lot of influencers in person, and just the way they work, the kind of ideas and storylines that they think of while listening to your song, and then फिर recreating something on that. I think that has been quite special. ये मैंने पहले कभी किसी गाने के लिए किया नहीं है. So this is the first time जो हमें ये करने का मौका मिला. I thought that was quite fun, and I look forward to that like every time I work on songs now. So.
And guys, if you're wondering where you
Yes.
can watch all this content,
Yes.
you can watch it on Triller or Triller India's page. Okay, what is your personal
My
playlist
personal
like?
playlist, I don't listen to a lot of songs. Yeah. No, but I do.
Really?
I listen to pop songs. These days I've been listening to lo-fi songs a lot. So I did one as well with Shashwat,
yes.
Which was called Tennu Vekhanda. So that's also on my channel. So वो भी एक थोड़ा lo-fi vibe था. But I think I really enjoy lo-fi music. So even last night मैं ऐसे ही chill कर रही थी. So I was listening to that. I have I have like a few. There are lots of songs on YouTube actually, that you can just listen, or even on multiple platforms. Just if you search lo-fi, तो बहुत yeah. And
Yeah,
people like it.
lo-fi
It's
is
quite
trending
soothing.
these days. I think.
Like while cooking, I'll listen to it.
Yeah,
That kind of stuff.
yeah,
Good.
I agree. I'm also one of those. Okay. Um, what is your personal favorite part of the music video or of the song?
My
Either
favorite
of the
part
two, whichever one.
is so. I think my favorite part would be the part where स्टार्टिंग में जब वो मैं गुलनज़र को जेलस फील कराने के लिए आई मतलब माय फ्रेंड सजेस्ट्स राइट कि वो उस लड़के से उससे तू दूर रहेगी तो वो तेरे पीछे आएगा एंड यू शुड मेक हिम जेलस लाइक विद दैट गाय सो मैं जाती हूँ भाग भाग के एंड
Yeah.
मैं उसको ऐसे टैप करती हूँ एंड देन राइट व्हेन ही टर्न्स अराउंड टू से हाय हेलो व्हाटएवर आई एम नॉट इवन लुकिंग एट हिम आई एम लुकिंग एट मैं नजर नजर ऐसे करके मैं चेक कर रही हूँ वो आ रहा है या नहीं एंड देन व्हेन जब मैं देखती हूँ कि अच्छा हाँ आ गया तो देन आई टर्न अराउंड लाइक हाँ ओ हाय आई थिंक दैट मोमेंट इज क्वाइट या वो क्यूट क्यूट मोमेंट है
Yeah.
थोड़ा और
Has
वो
this ever
अच्छे मतलब बहुत अच्छे से आया भी है वीडियो में यू नो सो नो
has this ever happened?
only only in real
No.
life but yeah I think people can tell us
Well,
शायद उनकी लाइफ में हुआ हो because कई लोगों की लाइफ में एक्चुअली ऐसे हुआ है you know
uh, let let us
that
know
was a
if
quite
this has
nice
ever
story
happened to
but
you
yeah
all.
मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ इसीलिए वो वीडियो में भी वो
Yeah.
लड़की मुझे बता रही है कि ऐसे कर I
नहीं.
don't know कि क्या करना है but she's the one who's telling
हाँ,
me
you
listen yeah
she has all the Anuskas. Yeah. Okay, apart from acting, do you apart from singing, do you enjoy
yeah
acting as well?
I love
Like
it
that also. But if you weren't a singer slash
if I
actor,
wasn't
what other profession would you choose?
well
Yeah, if
see
you
I've
weren't a
studied
singer
marketing
slash actor.
I've done my BCom in marketing so maybe digital marketing में कोई जॉब पे होती मैं अपना सोशल मीडिया भी मैं खुद ही हैंडल करती हूँ
Perfect.
so all the replies that you see on the
Lovely.
comments and stuff is all me
Amazing.
yeah
So the reach.
yeah everything in
all
fact
you.
I even edit my videos
Wow.
um so this video
Oh, awesome. Wow.
was also so because this is a covid के टाइम का वीडियो so हमने जब शूट किया था तब you know things were
हाँ.
a little fine and then the whole lockdown situation happened again so the like the main cut तो हम जब रॉबी सर के साथ थे तब मतलब हमें you know and then we sat with him and we kind of saw and did that but then for little changes क्योंकि कभी कभी लगता है ना कि नहीं हम कुछ दिनों में फिर से देखते हैं then let's see तो वो जो changes थे वो मुझे जाना था करने के लिए but then we couldn't go I mean I couldn't go to Chandigarh from Mumbai because of the COVID situation so then फिर सर ने एक आइडिया किया उन्हें भी पता है कि मुझे एडिटिंग आती है और हम सेम सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हैं वी यूज फाइनल कट प्रो सो ही सेंट मी द प्रोजेक्ट फाइल फ्रॉम पटियाला मुझे हाँ और फिर मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस किया फिर वो वापस भेजा सो
I don't know if any of your fans know this, but I think this makes it this song that much more special. I think if you're so involved, itna involvement
absolutely. That you I mean, this song also is a self-produced song, so it's my first song that I've produced by myself. So it was extremely special. मतलब अगर आप उसका description पढ़ोगे तो शायद आपको feeling समझ में आएगी मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा overwhelmed हो गई थी जब you know I was watching it on premiere with everyone else I thought that was a very special moment and those first You can never get back. So it's good to enjoy
Moment.
as and when it happens. And जो भी journey है इसकी, I'm learning a lot from this entire experience. So it's all been amazing. Yeah.
Lovely. And I mean, I'm going to come
Thank
back
you.
as a producer as well now. Okay, so now just play a quick
Okay.
this or that. Okay, so I'm going to give you some options and you pick whichever
Okay.
one is suitable to you. Okay, singing or acting?
Both. You can't make me choose. No. Both.
One.
That's not fair. Huh?
Okay, singing.
Singing with acting. Good.
Is that
Both.
original songs or
Originals.
covers?
I like covers also. They have their own charm. But
Right.
given a choice, yeah, I would pick an original.
Yeah. Okay. Makeup or fashion?
I'm quite bad at fashion, so I think makeup.
So makeup. Okay. Very honest. Okay, 500 million rupees or a chance to meet all your fans?
I think I don't know. I think a chance to meet all my fans, I think that'll be quite good. Although the money would be really good too.
Yeah. I guess
Yeah,
money
yeah,
will come.
yeah.
That's how it works.
I mean, see, when I started this, it was
Okay,
never
sad
about
song.
money. I think a lot of people would know if you're like, especially now, this awareness is quite well spread, I guess. जब covers करते हैं तो actually उससे you can't make money unless and until there's rev share involved, which बहुत ही कम होता है वो. So I never started this with the intention of like making money from it. Yeah, like
Making money.
but it kind of, the love that I got from people and the passion that I felt for this myself, फिर उससे वो बन गया मेरा profession, you know, and then it kind of sort of but वो start से कभी वो thought था ही नहीं. So I don't think like that. मतलब मेरा वो वैसा वो है ही नहीं thinking. वो बाद में हाँ, that's why I have managers.
Money. Yeah.
Because I am quite bad at that. So yeah, they do that.
Let them handle them.
Yeah.
You handle
Because
the
otherwise it
process.
gets too
Yes,
stressful.
nice.
I mean,
Good.
फिर तो कर ही नहीं पाएंगे.
I agree. Okay,
Happy.
sad songs or happy dance songs?
Happy dance songs, love songs, romantic
Happy.
songs.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
What?
Sneakers or heels?
Anytime. White sneakers.
Comfort always. Beach
Beaches.
Beach or mountains? Summer or winter?
Neither. I think spring. Yeah,
I love it.
spring is good. Coffee
Okay,
or?
coffee or tea? Coffee or tea?
I drink both.
Tea.
ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है. हाँ, अगर मैं चाय पी रही हूँ तो I prefer अदरक
Both.
वाली चाय, अदरक and इलायची, both I love. या तो अगर मैं कॉफी पी रही हूँ तो भी अलग अलग है. मतलब मैं नॉर्मल कॉफी भी पी लेती हूँ, मैं ब्लैक कॉफी विदाउट शुगर भी पी लेती हूँ. So I can drink either or. Yeah, I'm very flexible.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, no. Oh, shy. Okay. Very nice. Lovely.
Dance
or what do you
dance.
lip sync? Dance. Pizza.
Oh,
or
that's
burgers?
difficult. Pizzas?
Pizzas. Okay. Okay, so I have one fan question. Somebody's asked a question saying, what
My
is your
future
future
plan?
plan?
Matlab,
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's a way. Where better? Where
I
do you
don't
see
know.
yourself 5 years from now?
I wish I had that answer. This space is so unpredictable. You don't know, like, right? हमें थोड़ी पता था कि सी 2020 में अगर आप ये क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछते तो फिर ये जवाब बहुत ही अलग होता, बट 2020 के एक्सपीरियंस ने मुझे थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया है। तब मैं स्टार्टिंग में सोच रही थी वो दिस ईयर इज गोना बी अमेजिंग फॉर मी, मस्का रिलीज हो रही है, फिर निकम्मा होगी, यू नो थिंग्स विल like move on, and then I'll release like a few of my singles, and मतलब बहुत सही सब कुछ प्लान मेरे माइंड में था, तो सब चेंज हो गया। सो अब ऐसे कुछ है नहीं। आई थिंक नाउ इट्स मोर लाइक whatever the situation or however like whatever life throws at me, I'll try to make the most of that. So I think right now I am currently in between uh, shooting for my Telugu project. We're completing that and also doing promotions of Tirunal Renya. So that's what is currently happening for me. Um, but yeah, I think after that, hopefully Nikamma के रिलीज का प्लान होगा। So जब होगा तब 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 तो वो
So it's like
yeah so
going
I've
with the
always
flow
been like
as
that.
well. It's
Because
both.
ये भी मेरे लाइफ में कभी प्लान नहीं था, राइट, दैट मैं इंडिया जाऊंगी और यहाँ पे काम करूंगी। it's all been like wow, ये हो गया। एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब मुझे, हाँ मैंने काम भी किया है उसके लिए और अभी भी कर रही हूँ, बट या वो एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है कि मैं काम कर रही हूँ तो मिलेगा, वो नहीं भी होता है कई बार। And that's okay. I mean, at the end of the day, like, you should be happy with whatever you're doing, and you should love what you're doing. Like, अगर तुम्हें उससे खुशी मिल रही है तो फिर क्या, that's it ना, वही सही है।
Absolutely. Okay. One message that you would like to give the people that are watching. Anything? What you would you like to say something to them?
Thank you so much. इतना प्यार देने के लिए। बहुत ही स्वीट हो आप सब लोग, इतने अच्छे ब्यूटीफुल वीडियोस बना रहे हो। So I can't wait to see all your videos on Triller as well. And thank you for supporting me. और भी बहुत चीजें आने वाली है ahead. So I hope that ऐसे आप मुझे देते रहो। And if you are also like, अगर आप भी इस फील्ड में आगे बढ़ने के बारे में सोच रहे हो, समथिंग लाइक दैट, देन आई वुड just say that don't give up, because ऐसे बहुत moments होते हैं when you feel like it's not going right. ऐसे हर बार होता है, and it's quite normal, मुझे भी ऐसे thoughts आते हैं। So but इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि I'll give up. I won't, and neither should you. So keep going if you really love this, and if अगर आपको seriously ये पसंद है तो करते रहो, and yeah, hopefully something will work out somewhere. God listens.
Perfect. And lastly, would you
Yes,
like to tell your fans
please
to follow
do.
you on Triller so
Must
they can be updated?
follow me on Triller right away.
Till-
My handle is the same as everywhere else. It's just Shirley Sevia.
Yes.
So yeah, follow me now.
Shirley, from your side, we hope that you keep creating amazing content, amazing music, and you keep promoting it on Triller, because I think we're enjoying the content that we're seeing. So thank you so much for coming on this live and talking. It was lovely.
अब जब अगला गाना आएगा तब मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए please keep supporting this one. I can't wait to see all your Triller videos. Please post them, tag करो मुझे, Triller को hashtag करो hashtag तेरे नाल रहनिया, ऐसे। हाँ।
Lovely. Thank
you.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye, you too. Bye. Okay, guys, that was Shirley Setia live with us on Triller India. We talked about a little bit about herself, about her music, about her new song, and how she's promoting it on Triller India. So don't forget to make your trills. She will be reposting them. She sees all the content created on her songs. Till the next live, lots of love. Don't forget to follow Triller India, and don't forget to download the Triller app. Till the next live, lots of love and stay healthy. See you guys. Bye bye.